Good day to all of you. I'm Gabriel, and I'm going to talk about phobias, specifically the top 5 weirdest phobias known to science and to man. The term phobia was first used in 1786. It's a type of anxiety disorder that is usually defined as persistent fear. The sufferer commits to great lengths in avoiding typically disproportional to the actual danger posed. In some point, phobias cannot be avoided entirely. The sufferer will endure the fear in the situation or object with marked distress and significant interference in social or occupational activities. The symptoms include rapid heartbeat, shortness of breath, dizziness, and trembling. Phobia is an extremely strong dislike or fear of someone or something. It is also an exaggerated feeling because it's usually inexplicable and illogical fear of a particular or specific subject, situation, person, or activity. Now, I will discuss the 5th weirdest phobia, genophobia. According to the richest website, genophobia is a fear of sexual relations. There are people who are actually afraid of intimacy and sexual relations, and much more, intercourse. This is rooted to trauma that was inflicted upon the victim in the past.
I am John, and I will now discuss the 4th and the 3rd weirdest phobias. Top 4. Arachibutyrophobia. According to Reader's Digest, arachibutyrophobia is a fear of peanut butter sticking to the roof of the mouth. This fear of peanut butter may affect the quality of life of people. Needless distress may lead to panic attacks. Distances the loved ones and business associates. He or she will feel dizzy and nauseated whenever peanut butter sticks to his or her mouth. The treatments and medications of these are follow. Behavior therapy, anti-anxiety medications, psychotherapy, exposure therapy, and relaxation techniques. Next is papaphobia. According to List 25, papaphobia is the fear of the Pope. Oh my Lord. I never thought the Pope Francis could be this scary. The signs and symptoms of this anxiety disorder is you feel authentic fear and all associated physical reactions such as rapid and short breathing, nausea, sweating, irregular heartbeat, and overall feeling of dread. Every time you see or hear about the head of the entire Roman Catholic Church and the descendant of Saint Peter himself, then you have this. Treatments and medications of these are the same as arachibutyrophobia.
I'm Laika, and I will discuss the 2nd and the 1st weirdest phobias. Spectrophobia. According to the richest, spectrophobia is the fear of mirrors or one's own reflection. It means avoiding all kinds of reflecting things like shiny cars, puddles of water, sunglasses of other people, and even the monitor of your computer or laptop. This fear is related to one's inability to accept imperfection in the face or body, like moles or birthmarks. At the same time, spectrophobia may also be caused by one's excessive belief and fear of ghosts and spirits. Symptoms are breathlessness, excessive sweating, dry mouth, nausea, feeling sick, shaking, can clearly speak or think, and becoming mad or losing control every time the patient sees his or her reflection. The treatment is hypnotherapy, the most favored treatment for this, but many other psychiatrist techniques may be used. What is critical is that treatment must be done fast. Otherwise, the condition may worsen quickly. Lastly, the panphobia. According to the Telegraph, panphobia is the fear of anything and everything. This phobia arises after a traumatic personal event and may eventually limit and control your lifestyle, your life, and your social outlets. The sign and the symptom of this anxiety disorder are when you feel that your heart